Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be covering surds. A tricky subject, but after you understand it, you'll be like,
just wanna see you touch the ground. Don't be shy, girl, go bonanza. Shake your body like a...
What is a surd? A surd is an expression that includes a square root, cube root, or another root symbol. Surds are numbers left as square roots that give irrational numbers. And a number is irrational if it cannot be written as a fraction. Sometimes a surd can be a square number, like root 16, which becomes is 4. Because 4 times 4 is 16. All the numbers you see below are surds. It is important that you know your square numbers, as it will be easier when it comes to simplifying surds. So, know we what surds are. How do we use them? We can add them or subtract them, but how? When adding or subtracting surds, we must have the same base, or the number in the root has to be the same. So, we can do root 3 plus root 3 is equal to 2 root 3. The base is 3, which is the same, so we can add them. Root 3 plus root 2, these have different bases, so we cannot add them. Root 5 plus 3 root 5. The bases are the same, so we can add them. In front of the root 3, there's a 1. So, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. The answer is for root 5. We would do the same if it was a subtraction. Here the base is 7 in both, so we can subtract. 4 minus 2 equals 2. So, we get 2 root 7. Multiplying and dividing surds. This is where it gets tricky, so make sure to note down the formulas, as these will help. When multiplying roots that have the same number inside the root, the answer will be the number in the root. For example, root 2 times root 2 equals 2. As this is the number in the root. What if it's different bases? Like root 5 and root 6. We simply multiply across, so 5 times 6 is equal to 3. This is all under the root. When we divide surds, it is the same as dividing normally. For example, root 56 over root 8. We will put it over a massive root and divide as normal. 56 over 8 is 7, so the answer is root 7. Simplifying surds is a favorite with examiners. So, we need to practice simplifying different surds as much as possible. When simplifying, we need to find two numbers that multiply to make that surd. For example, root 63 equals root 9 times root 7. 9 is a square number, so root 9 is equal to 3. Therefore, 3 times root 7 equals to 3 root 7. Root 45, two numbers that make up 45 is 15 and 3. Root 15 can be further simplified into root 3 times root 5. Therefore, we get root 3 times root 5 times root 3. Remember our key rule. When we multiply the same base, the answer will be the base. So, root 3 times root 3 equals 3. 3 times root 5 is equal to 3 root 5. Rationalizing the denominator. This is very common topic in exams. Looks hard but is simple after practice. When rationalizing, we are cancelling the surd on the denominator. We do this by multiplying with the surd. As you can see here, the surd is root 3. If we multiply the root 3 with root 3, the roots cancel out. What we do on the bottom, we do with the top. So, we multiply 6 with root 3. This gives us 6 root 3. And the bottom will be 3. So, 6 root 3 over 3. This can be simplified to 2 root 3. As, 6 divided by 3 is 2. This question is the same as the first one. We need to rationalize, so we multiply the fraction by root 3. Break it into steps, it'll make it much simpler. 3 times root 3 is equal to 3 root 3. Root 6 times root 3 equals root 18. And on the bottom root 3 times root 3 equals which is 3. Now we put them all together. We should get 3 root 3 plus root 18 over 3. Root 18 can be simplified further into root 9 and root 2. We should start to see that root 9 is 3. As we all know, 3 times 3 is 9. So, root 18 can be written as 3 root 2. Hence, we get 3 root 3 plus 3 root 2 over 3. We can simplify further as they all have a 3, so after dividing by 3, we get root 3 plus root 2. We may come across denominators that may contain signs. In this case, we have to multiply the denominator with the opposite sign, so we can cancel them out. Hard concept at first, but you'll get it. In this example, the denominator is 3 plus root 3, so when rationalizing we do the opposite, so multiply with a minus. So, we multiply with 3 minus root 3. We multiply as normal. We've done this color coordinated, so you don't get confused. Enjoy this soothing background music as we multiply. Sit back when we do the hard work. Relaxed? Now try these yourself, pause the video and try them. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, or we've gone too fast, drop a comment below or message us on TikTok. You can find our TikTok in our description. We are doing a giveaway when we reach 100 subscribers to enter. Subscribe, comment, and like. Follow our TikTok. And be happy.